You've got users, now it's time to send them content to share with the world, and on the SocialToaster platform, you do that by creating and sending a post. First, head to your SocialToaster dashboard. On the left menu bar, click Get in Touch, then click Posts. From the Posts page, click Create a Post to go into the guided post creation. The first page you're brought to is the Sharing tab. Here you will create the messages that your advocates will share to their various social networks. First, type or copy and paste the URL of the content you want your advocate to share in the link box and click Make My Post. The lead image and post description from the web page will automatically populate into your available networks. You can choose which networks are available for your advocates to share to by enabling or disabling the tick box to the left of each. Customize your headers and body copy and add your FTC-compliant hashtag. As each network has a different character max, you may need to have a few versions of your copy to accommodate your message and FTC hashtag. See our help desk for more information on FTC compliance. Once you've finished editing your shareable posts, click Next at the bottom right side of the page. This takes you to the Filter tab. The Filter tab allows you to control which of your advocates will receive your message. You can choose whether to send an email notification to all eligible users of your program and whether to add the post to the Share More library or not. If you have advocates from multiple countries, you can also select which country's fans you'd like to send your post to. If you've categorized your Share More blocker page, you can categorize the post with an existing category or enter a new one. Once your settings are correct, click Next in the bottom right corner and head to the Notification tab. The Notification tab lets you customize the email message that your advocates will receive. You can edit your email subject and your body copy on the top half of the page. Once your email is complete, you can send yourself or someone else a test email. You'll receive a mock email notification to ensure that your email design and share messages are being relayed as expected. When you've finished with the Notifications tab, click Next, which will take you to the Preview and Publish tab. Here you'll get a preview of the email your advocates will receive, as well as one final look at all of your share messages as they will appear in feed when shared. Scrolling to the bottom of this page will bring you to the post scheduling options. You can choose to send the post immediately, send the post at a later date and time, or save it as incomplete. You'll also choose whether the post will always be available for sharing for evergreen content or whether it should expire on a particular date. Once your settings are correct, click on the bottom right-hand button and you've completed your post. To view submitted, scheduled, or incomplete posts, click the Get in Touch navigation button and then Posts. There's a tab for each status. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, be sure to reach out to our help desk at support@socialtoaster.com.